The 2025 Porsche 718 is a stunning combination of performance, luxury, and innovation, making it a standout choice for sports car enthusiasts. Built with precision and an emphasis on delivering a thrilling driving experience, this model continues Porsche's legacy of creating cars that are not only fast but also refined and user-friendly. The exterior design of the 718 captures attention with its sleek lines, aerodynamic shape, and an aggressive stance that embodies the spirit of a true sports car. The updated LED lighting, larger air intakes, and finely crafted details contribute to its modern appeal, making it as stylish as it is functional. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 718 offers a variety of engine options to cater to different driving preferences. Whether it's the turbocharged flat-4 engines or the naturally aspirated flat-6 options found in higher trims, the car promises exceptional performance. With horsepower ranging from 300 to over 500 in the top GT4 Rupees variant, the 718 delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and handling precision. Porsche's commitment to rear-wheel drive ensures a dynamic and engaging experience behind the wheel, while advanced suspension systems and lightweight construction enhance its agility on the road. The interior of the 718 is crafted with the driver in mind, featuring a minimalist yet luxurious design. High-quality materials like leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum dominate the cabin, giving it a premium feel. The cockpit is focused on ergonomics, with all controls intuitively placed for easy access. Technology takes center stage with the inclusion of a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additional features like a premium sound system, customizable digital displays, and advanced driver assistance systems add to the comfort and convenience of the vehicle. In terms of driving dynamics, the 718 excels in offering a balanced and responsive performance. The mid-engine layout provides excellent weight distribution, enhancing cornering stability and overall control. The steering is precise and communicative, giving drivers a strong connection to the road. The available Sport Chrono package further elevates the driving experience by sharpening throttle response, enhancing shift points, and enabling faster lap times. Whether on winding mountain roads or a racetrack, the 718 inspires confidence and delivers exhilarating performance. Safety is another area where the 718 impresses. Equipped with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a suite of airbags, the car prioritizes driver and passenger protection. Porsche has also included advanced braking systems to ensure optimal stopping power in all conditions. These safety measures make the 718 not only thrilling to drive but also a reliable choice for everyday use. Customization is a key aspect of the Porsche 718 experience. Buyers can choose from a wide range of paint colors, wheel designs, interior trims, and performance upgrades to create a car that reflects their personal style. Porsche also offers an array of packages that enhance luxury, sportiness, or technology, allowing customers to tailor the car to their exact preferences. This level of personalization ensures that no two 718s are alike, adding to its exclusivity. Despite its high-performance capabilities, the 718 remains practical for everyday driving. The car offers a surprising amount of storage space, thanks to its dual luggage compartments, one in the front and one in the rear. This makes it an excellent choice for weekend getaways or daily commutes. The ride quality is also commendable, with adaptive dampers that provide a comfortable experience even on rough roads. The 2025 Porsche 718 represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. It pays homage to Porsche's rich motorsport heritage while embracing modern technology and design. Whether you're a seasoned Porsche enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the 718 offers an unparalleled driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. For more videos on car reviews, features, and the latest updates in the automotive world, subscribe to Car Insights. Our channel is dedicated to providing in-depth analysis and expert opinions on all things cars. Stay tuned for more exciting content.
Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest.